Hey, how you doing? It's Jed George here, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. What I'm going to be talking to you about today is how to build a bridge page using the Conversion Pros internet marketing tools for your online business. Now, if you don't know what a bridge page is, it's very simple. When you have a lead capture page and someone enters their email address in, if they're interested in what you have to offer, and then they get redirected to a page where you can either have, say thank you to them for opting in, introducing yourself, welcoming them to your internet marketing world or business before you then direct them to the actual sales page. Most people, what they do is when they create a lead capture page, after someone opts in, enters their email address in, they direct them straight to the sales page of their business system without having a bridge page. And what then happens there is that they're a complete stranger to that person. So when you start emailing them through your autoresponder, they don't know who you are. They're just getting these emails from some random person. When they click the links inside, of course, they'll be directed back to the sales page. They may or may not remember them doing it because they probably enter the email address in so many places. And that's why a bridge page is really good. It allows you to introduce yourself as the person behind the website or the lead capture page where they enter their email address in. They come to the bridge page. They see you. They see you as a real person. You get to introduce yourself to them, and it allows you to, build some kind of rapport so that when they do start getting emails in their inbox, they know exactly who it's coming from. It's coming from you as the internet marketer, and that way you brand yourself and be able to build some know, like, and trust with that person. Okay, I hope that makes sense. If that didn't, just watch it again. But I'm going to show you what I mean and demonstrate to you how easy it is to build one of these pages using the Conversion Pros marketing tools that you get when you decide to use these tools as your internet marketing tools. I love the Conversion Pros or TCP because it comes with everything you need: the autoresponder, lead, landing page builder, and that's where you build the bridge page. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I've already got one that I have made. I'm just going to use exactly the same thing, and that's again one of the great things about the Conversion Pros is you can copy and duplicate your pages. You can use these share codes to send to others, and then they can use it. So I've just typed in BP here, which means bridge page, and as you see, bridge page 1. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this share code, copy to clipboard, and then I'm going to enter the share code here and copy page. It's done. I'm going to then refresh the page because it won't come up straight away. And if I type in BP here, bang, you'll see BP1, which is the one I copied, and BP1, and then adds a number 1 there as the one that you just created. So I'm just going to move this video here. All right, now to edit the page, you simply click on Edit, and it opens up into a new screen. You'll be able to see the page that I've been using. All right, and I've got a previous video there. I'm just going to pause that. This is another video that I made where someone opts into my system, which is the Easy Residual system, which takes you through the actual joining process for the Conversion Pros. So what I will do is I will leave a link to my capture page that refers to the Easy Residual system, which will teach you how you can use the Conversion Pros to promote your online business. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm actually creating a separate funnel altogether outside of the Easy Residual system because I do want to have that running as a separate sales funnel to my primary business. But this particular sales funnel is a sales funnel to help you get leads and sales in your own business. So if you're currently promoting a business and you're looking for some tools to use to do that, to help you promote that, you can use the Easy Residual System sales funnel, which utilizes the Conversion Pros tools. And if you opt in there, you'll be able to see the actual process where you get people joining TCP under you, using the same tools that you would, as well as exposing them to your online business so you get sales there. So I've sidetracked a little bit. I tend to do that, so my apologies. Let's keep going. So I'm going to probably leave that as awesome to meet you, or I might just change that. Oops, I might just change that. So I'll show you how easy that is. You go edit text, and you can simply put great to meet you. Great to meet you. I'll put welcome. Great to meet you. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to change the video up to a new video that I've done here. And all you do is you take the code. It actually tells you what to take. So you can see after the V equals, that code there, that red one, that's what you want to grab from the YouTube video. So I'm going to do that right now. Copy, paste, and then click Edit Design, and it should play that video. And you can see that one there. Done. All right. So I've got the video. Now I want to probably change his text up. I might just say get ready to set up the ultimate system. Actually, I might just leave that there. I won't worry about this text down here, so I'll delete that and just say you can contact me on my my details below. All right, so I've got, because I'm from Australia, majority of the customers that I get to are from the United States, so I've got a United States number there as well, so they can contact me there. All right, done. All right, so that's it. So here's a link to connect with me online through social media, Facebook, and then this button here will link to the business system that I'm using. All right, and the business system that I'm using is Mob. Actually, you know what? I'll put that link in later. But at the moment, that links directly to this. So this is where you would put your business system link. Okay, and very simple. All right, your affiliate link, whatever that is. So you double click there, and it should come up with a dialog box. Where is edit design? That's why. Sorry. Click on edit design. Done. All right. So you drag this up and you click on link. And see this here URL. This is going to another page in Conversion Pros, which is part of the Easy Residual System sales funnel. But what you do put there is you put your business system link. All right. So in my case, TTSI, and it's actually under my domain, which is Easy Residual Wealth.com. Done. So that will go to my affiliate link for my primary business. I'll fix it up later, but I just wanted to show you there real quick. Okay. Save land. I try to save as much as I can, as quickly as possible, just in case my system shuts down. And that's pretty much it. That's your landing page. That's your bridge page. So what happens is someone will opt in. So I'll show you my capture page. So I'll put TTSI. All right. So here's here is my landing page. Where is video done for you? Oh, I got two pages. There we go. This one. So here's, for example, my landing page. So someone would come here, which is being built with the Conversion Pros. They'll come here. They'll enter their name. They'll enter their email address. They'll click watch the video, and they'll come to this page, right, where I'm introducing myself to the person who's entered the email address. So they know I'm behind this page, right? Me is behind this page. They'll enter their email address, come to here, and then I explain to them, I basically say to them, good to meet you. You can connect with me direct to ask me any questions you might have. And then I'd say, look below, there's two buttons. First is to connect with me online. The second is to go ahead and watch the video. So what I'll do is I'll edit that text, watch video now. watch business video. Sorry, this anyway. Yeah. Might change it to system video. System, yeah, watch system video now. All right, and then I'll explain. Yep, watch the video, and then they can get started. But why I'm doing that is, what's going to happen is they're going to start getting emails from me through my autoresponder, and they're going to know who I am. Okay, that's it. That's all, because that's what you want to build when you're building your online business. People buy from people they know, like, and trust. I'm sure you've heard that before. All right, so that's it. So now how do I connect it? One other thing, I want to change the title. I want to change the title for this, other than Easy Residual System. I want it to say Business Opportunity. I might call it High Ticket Business System. Actually, I'll call it Done For You Business. Done For You Business. I come up with a name. I might change it later. I'm just, just testing it. I'll just call this BP2, which is Bridge Page 2, my second one, which refers to my primary business. Okay, and that forms part of the URL of the actual link. All right. Which you won't share that link, you actually share your capture page links. One other thing I might change is the background, because I want it to be congruent. I want it to be similar to this. So they'll opt in here and they'll come straight to this page. And so I want to probably just change the background. So you simply click on pick background image. I just like using what they supply. They're pretty straightforward. Looks nice enough. And I think it's under travel. Where it is, I'm pretty sure it's here, but I could be wrong. All right. So here it is. There's so many to choose from, but I'll click that one and see what it looks like. There you go. Okay, so they'll click here. They'll do this, and they'll come here, and then they'll see the same background image, but they'll see this video. I'll talk to them about connecting with me, and then they can watch the video. But I might change this to the same green. So what I'll do is you go double click, and I'll go text background. Background, and just go there. I think that's it. Choose. Oh, it's a bit bright. Might make it a little bit darker. That's better. That way, that color is the same as this color here. You don't have to, but I like to keep things the same. Text shadow. I'll just put a little bit of shadow in there. There we go. Now you can see it a little bit better. Done. I'm happy with that. All right. I might fix it up later. I mean, the problem is I don't want to be stuck on trying to make things look perfect. Okay, I just want to get it done. And if there's any advice I can give you, just get it done, fix it later, and that way you don't get stuck wasting time trying to fix things that people don't care about anyway. All right, that is done. So they'll come here, they'll enter an email address, they'll then come here, and they will watch my video. I also I mentioned a little bit about the system, why I chose the system to be my primary business, and then I'll go. Then when they click that button, it will go to this page here, which is the sales video of the my affiliate link to the business system that I use, which is this one here, top tier site income. Okay. All right, so if you're watching this and on YouTube and you're wanting to perhaps, if you're looking for some new tools that work really well, I'm going to recommend the Conversion Pros, the best tools I have used to date. So easy to use. Again, I can share with you my pages that I personally use. I will, as mentioned, I will put in the description a link to this capture page, so you can find that about my business system that I use if you're looking for a business system that will allow you to earn some decent income between $1,250 to $10,000 per sale. A done-for-you system, no selling, all the selling is done for you. You don't have to worry about getting on the phone with anybody. You won't have to worry about, you know, creating products. It's all done for you through this system. The video will explain more, so opt in there, which will then take you to this page where I'll explain a little bit more about the business system. You can do that there. Otherwise, if you have a business already and you're wanting to, you know, get a sales funnel that it converts better and allows you to also promote the marketing tools at the same time, I'm going to recommend to you the Easy Residual system, where you can plug in your business system. Okay, now this is one of the capture page. I'll put the capture page to this this video. I'll put the link to, to this capture page where you can enter your information and go through the actual sales funnel, so you can see where you can plug your business in to this system and use that as well. Okay, so again, thank you for watching this video. I hope you got some value from it. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel, but also yeah, I encourage you to get involved in the Conversion Pros as well. So if you want to get involved in Conversion Pros and use those tools for your system, enter your details here. If you want to check out my business, enter your details here, which it doesn't matter because this will show you my business anyway, but you know, just letting you know, just so you can see how it works. All right. Thank you very much. And my name is Jed George. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.